Due to the pandemic, I had to scale back and kind of pivot and do something a bit different with the youth motivational speaking side of what I do. Many students are doing hybrid or virtual learning, so we're doing online virtual workshops, working with student leadership groups. You know, at this point this year, with all the challenges, it's that unknown with the taxes.
Hi there.
Hey, how's it going? I've used TurboTax in the past, just in general, but when I was talking to Neil from TurboTax Live, self-employed, it made me more at ease to know that I had a professional there walking me through that process.
You may be able to deduct a portion of your utilities based on the square footage at that dedicated office compared to the overall square footage of your home.
Neil, he really broke down that usually my office will be at the school, but now it's at home, and that can be part of your expenses. That's something I would never possibly think about. That can only come from someone who's a professional and been doing this for multiple years.